Alright, let's try this now. There we go. Yeah. Darren likes to suck on his lips. It's like he has a pacifier in his mouth. It's not there. So quiet because Caleb is asleep. What's the matter? I just fed you. Are you going to talk? Oh, really? Hi. Yeah? I know how. Yeah? Hi. Hi. Oh, really? Get closer. Your hair looks red in this video. Why? See those dimples? Yes, I do. You're so funny.